Like, subscribe, and share.
Hi. Jackson, what would you like to make today?
Cupcakes.
What kind of cupcakes?
Homemade chocolate keto cupcakes.
Wow. That sounds good. We just happen to have a recipe, don't we?
Uh-huh.
Okay. First thing we're going to do is put butter in here. Okay. We put the butter in there.
And then we put that.
Okay, then we put the half cup
Sugar.
of, well, it's monkfruit sugar. It's the sugar substitute, but it's like sugar. Okay, so we're going to bring this up and we're going to beat it until it's smooth. Alright, is it mixed up?
Not yet.
I think it's mixed up.
It's mixed up now.
Okay, so we turn that off and we're going to put our almond flour. So let's drop it down. Help me pour it in there. Easy. Okay, got our almond flour. We put
Milk.
Well, we're going to do it in order. Okay, that way we don't get mixed up. Okay, we got our cocoa powder.
Mmm. It already looks delicious.
Yes. Okay, and now we have to put our baking powder, which is a half a tablespoon of baking powder.
Just the red.
Which would be a teaspoon and a half, by the way. Because there's 3 teaspoons and a tablespoon. Okay.
1.
There's 1, and then over here is the half.
It's pretty hard to get out.
Well, that's okay. Okay. And now we'll put our sea salt. We have a 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt. And we use the pink Himalian sea salt. Has all those added minerals in there.
I think my cupcakes are going to be look good.
I'll bet they are. Okay, so
When's the egg?
we mix these up for a minute on a very low speed. Alright, this looks pretty well mixed up. Let's drop it down here.
Put the almond milk in.
Yeah, put a half cup of almond milk. And we put a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Yeah.
Oh, that was enough.
That was enough. That was a teaspoon.
Now you need 3 eggs.
3 eggs.
Yum.
Jackson, you're going to be in here cooking by yourself before you know it.
I'm going to crack the last one.
Okay. And there you go. Let's remove the shells.
Ew. I got it all over myself.
Okay.
I guess I had it a little too hard.
I guess that was a nice little blooper. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and turn this on. And then while this is blending up, I'll get another egg and put in here and clean him up. Okay.
Now that's
We got
mixed.
Jaxon and the cupcake batter, egg, mixture, and all that jazz taken care of. Take the paddle out.
Now you have to wash the paddle again.
Oh, I know. I will. Okay. We're going to put the batter
in the cupcake tin.
In the cupcake tin with
I'm
the
gonna
liners
taste it.
in a minute. With the liners in there. The recipe says it makes 10. So we will start with a little less batter and we can always add to it. Or we may just throw 2 more papers in there. We're going to bake it in a 350-degree oven till it gets done, and I think we can probably make 2 extras. What do you think, Jackson? Would you like 2 more? Huh? Okay.
If they're good.
Well, you and I are making them, so they should be good, right?
We're working together.
We're working together.
I wonder how the cupcakes will taste.
I don't know. We're teaching kids how to cook low carb and eat healthier. Much healthier lifestyle.
And much healthier cupcakes.
Much healthier cupcakes.
That's what I want for my birthday. Much healthier cupcakes.
You do? Okay. Alrighty. These are ready to go in the oven. You ready to bake them? Alrighty, here we go. Alright, we've taken these out of the oven and they've cooled off enough to give it a taste test. So, it's still hot, Jaxon. Okay, let's break it open. Nice and moist. Okay, go ahead and give it a shot.
Oh God.
It's good.
Her dad. I hope you like mine.
Alrighty, cameraman, you gonna take a bite now or in a minute?
I don't really care. Okay, yeah, give me that.
Alrighty, there you go. Jaxon's chocolate cupcakes, muffins, whatever you want to call them. I'm not putting frosting on them, so they're muffins. Y'all have a good one.
Like, subscribe, and share.